Hey guys, how's it going? Long time no see. You've probably been wondering where the hell I've gone. Since January I've been uploading a video every single week, and then all of a sudden I've disappeared for the last 2 months. So in this video I kind of wanted to just give you a quick run through of where I've been and give you an update on some of the stuff I've got planned for this channel. So I'm going to give that to you now. Let's do it. Okay guys, since the beginning of this year, this channel has managed to get about 15,000 subscribers, which I think is really cool. And so I felt like I wanted to make a quick video just to explain to you guys where on earth I've been for the last 2 months. So, as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, I got married about 2 months ago. And then we had our honeymoon out in Italy, and I was gone for an entire month. So there was absolutely no way I could do any videos in that time. And since I come back, I've got a couple of other companies as well, and there's been loads of issues because I've been away for a month, so I've had to sort those out as well. But I'm now putting my attention back on the YouTube channel, and I wanted to give you guys a couple of updates. I've been thinking long and hard about this for a long time, and I've decided to do an entire course teaching you guys how to make dance music on a program called Ableton Live, which is a program I use to make my dance music. I've been thinking about this for a while, and these are some of the reasons I want to teach you guys this. The first one is, I got into DJing from making dance music, so I know a lot more about Ableton and making dance music than I do about DJing. So if you guys like my DJ tutorials, you should really like my Ableton tutorials. The second reason is, I feel like I'm limited with what I can teach you guys when I'm just using DJ decks. Because there's sometimes where I'll do stuff on a computer program that also enhances my DJ performances. So I want to be able to teach you that as well. I also believe that once you understand how music is made, it will make your DJing so much better. The other reason is, it's just wicked fun making your own music, learning how to do it, expanding your knowledge, making better music, and learning how to make the tracks that we love DJing is really ridiculously exciting. It's really cool. Okay, so those are the main reasons I want to teach you. Now, some of you may be thinking, yeah, but there's loads of guys online teaching this. Why would you be any different? And I thought about that as well. And I thought, well, the thing is, there were loads of videos teaching people how to DJ before I came along as well. And there still are. But people tell me every day how much they love my DJ tutorials and how good they think they are. And I'm guessing if you guys have signed up to my channel, subscribed to my channel, you quite like my videos as well. So I thought perhaps you would like my style of teaching you. I'm going to start from the absolute basics, like I did with DJing, and I'm going to build up and teach you everything I know. And I'm confident that you guys will like those lessons and you're going to learn a lot from it. You know, on a personal note, I actually don't know many people who make dance music. Whereas now I've got all these people following me on YouTube. How good would it be if I could teach you guys everything I know about making dance music? And who knows, we might end up making dance music together sometime. So I think that would be a really cool way just to connect with other people who love making dance music. And just to teach people everything I know. So I feel the same way about teaching people how to do Ableton as I did about DJing. When I wanted to learn how to DJ, there wasn't any courses out there that I felt were a really good in-depth explanation of everything I needed to know about DJing. And I looked everywhere and I couldn't find those videos, so I made them, and those videos have done really well on YouTube. It was exactly the same with Ableton. It took me probably 3.5 years to fully understand Ableton. And in this course I'm making, I'm going to teach you every single thing I know and everything you need to know in a really methodical way. I'm going to explain everything from the basics, how to use the program, what everything does, to building your first track, and how to build up tracks, and just teach you how to use the tools available to you on Ableton to make whatever song you want on the planet, whether you're replicating one of your favorite artists, or whether you're coming up with completely unique new music, which is the coolest thing ever. So that's why I'm making this course. I want to give people a one-stop place to go and get everything they need to know. And that is my kind of plan moving forward. So guys, maybe this is a bit of a long video of basically saying I'm going to be getting back into YouTube from this point on. I'm going to be releasing a course teaching you guys how to do Ableton. I'm going to start teaching both Ableton and DJing from this point on as soon as I finish my course. And that's about it really, guys. I haven't got any tutorial for you today, just a really quick update to tell you where I've been and my plans for this channel moving forward. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it and you like the idea of this Ableton course, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel for all these new videos I've got coming up. See you guys very soon. Cheerio!